I'm actually sweating my nuts off. So I am now in front of the showroom. This is the entrance of the Mitsubishi Motors that I work in.
Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. Word is going, see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to jamalsTUBE. This is your host, Cruz Rising Soul. This is your host, jamalsTUBE. I am now in my new workplace. This is the Mitsubishi Motors, somewhere in Kuala Lumpur. If you're interested in the correct location, you guys can comment down below and I'll reach out towards you. This video here will be in regards of my new workplace. This will be my full-time job. I chose this job because of the perks. I released a video a few months ago in regards of me joining a car company. It was the iCar. I didn't last long for that place, not because of being fired or anything. The work conditions were not up to my standards. Basically, there was no basic pay. So here in this new opportunity that I've been given, I'm actually being cared for in terms of finances and stability wise. During the interview process, the manager was actually quite interested in how I led myself and my past experiences and didn't see it as an issue that I kept on jumping many places. Instead, he found it quite interesting for me to be able to juggle a few jobs, and one of it was actually being a content creator. So here I am now in the Mitsubishi Motors, Malaysia. Since today is a Sunday, it's very slow, and there's one customer, but it's not my customer. They were actually here because of one of my colleagues got them through online. So as a result, they're here to test drive the car and get to know a little bit more on the new car, the Xforce. Is a showroom on this side, and on this side here is where you can send your cars for the workshop. There is a team is tasked to working here, about 5 to 6 people, but they're not here today, being Sunday. The pros of actually working in a workshop or showroom is that the people here actually will be able to assist me in regards of my own car. So certain cars like mine needs alignment done or a black oil change. Apparently they can do that too, so I'm saving quite a bit of money in that sense. That's the washing the car station. So yeah, that's the back shot of the showroom. This job, I think I'll be here for a while. I'm liking it so far. It's quite flexible in terms of my ability. I can talk to people, I can go and meet customers. I have different workstations. This is the showroom, but eventually I will also have to go to different road shows where we display cars in certain malls or different locations. It is always air conditioned, so I'm quite comfortable in that sense. We're not standing out in the hot sun, and I still get to make videos. So this is me taking the opportunity to record a clip of my new life. To all my viewers as well as my members, I wanna just apologize firsthand. I know in the previous video of me working in the restaurant, I talked about releasing a few videos every single week. However, that's turning to be quite difficult simply because right now I'm still stabilizing. This has only been my first week. There are 3 models here that we actually sell. There's not too much to learn. The cars here are all fuel-based or diesel, such as the Triton, but the other 2 models, the Xpander and the Xforce, which is recently launched. These cars are quite similar, so in terms of learning the products, it's not too bad, it's not too hard for me, so that's why I'm actually considering on staying here in the long term. This is the Xforce, and that is the Xpander. This is someone else's car actually, because it has a running plate number already. Or I think someone just sold this car, so it's just here for standby. Xpander is a great MPV car, multi-purpose vehicle, so you can fit 5 to 7 people in this car alone. This is the plus variation, and this is the base. So the base is the more value version of the car without extra features. Sorry about the bird poopings over there. There are not much differences in regards of the base or the plus variation. The only differences is that with the Plus, you get a dash cam, both front and back. You have side door visors. It comes equipped with ARM, all-round monitor, that is great for parking. Both the base and the Xpander variations have a clearance of 225 millimeters. So what that means is in Malaysia, it floods quite often, honestly. Pretty sad. So when it floods, your car's engine, the water won't seep into it. A lot of cars, supercars, fast cars, they're lowered for aerodynamic purposes. But this MPV that looks like an SUV is great, especially for long distance traveling and if you have especially a lot of family members. You can sit 7 people, but if you put the third row chair down, you can actually put more luggage space. It's really great for families that are growing, but you can still buy this if you're a single bachelor. That's totally fine. You can put all the chairs down and you can fit an aquarium. That's someone like me. I'm not a bachelor, not gonna be long. However, I figured if I got this car, I can still put the chairs down and I can fit an aquarium inside. So that's something that I'm considering as well. The Xforce is actually more tailored towards an SUV. And then we have the Tritons. I won't go in depth of the differences for the cars, but maybe I'll come up with a future video where I'll talk differently in terms of the Triton, the Xforce, and then the Xpander. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit here. Plus it's really hot outside. I'm actually sweating my nuts off. So yeah, it's gonna make a very short and brief video out here. I'm gonna be focusing on making a lot more content for Mitsubishi. Those videos will actually help me reach out to different customers that use TikTok or Facebook and even Instagram. So my time will be focused on stabilizing myself in Mitsubishi. Right now, I don't really want to talk too much in terms of the commission or the pay over here, simply because it's still too new. I would like to get my first sale and then I can release another video in terms of living my life as a sales consultant in Mitsubishi Motors. For those who don't know, jamalsTUBE is primarily focused on fish content, especially for Chana and aquarium keeping. However, Cruise Rising Soul is also where I show a little bit of my lifestyle, the things I go through, and the thoughts that go inside my head. So as much as I want to get subscribers for my fish videos, I also aim to broaden my subscriber views in terms of lifestyle. It's not just fish stuff, it's lifestyle here. There's one dog here, he's very friendly, not really, he doesn't bite. That's what I mean by friendly. I'll take a little shot of him in a bit. That's it for today's video, guys. I don't want to make it too long. I just wanted to show a little bit of clips of what I do here. Today is a Sunday. It's quite of a slow morning and there's supposed to be 3 people here, including me, 4 people. But it's only just me right now. So that's why I'm confidently taking out the camera and talking and making this video, because I wouldn't have done this if there were other people in this showroom. I'm a little bit shy. Hope you guys enjoyed this content. Stick around jamalsTUBE, Cruise Rising Soul. Don't leave, don't unsubscribe. But those of you who have not subscribed yet, now's your chance. Subscribe to my channel where I'll be talking about fish, lifestyle, and I guess now cars as well. Peace out.